So I goofed when I started writing this function that actually replaces the text for my A/B tests. It looks at the actual text, and I need it to inject some IDs and create a div so that we can reference it later on clicks and have a very strong correlation between clicks and replaced text. So now we're going to ask CoPilot to write some code for us that will actually create divs that have IDs on them and then replace the text. And with a short sentence here describing what we want to do, we will then let the AI work its magic and save us probably about maybe a half hour of coding and testing. And it looks like what it came up with here is pretty darn good, so we'll go ahead and go with it and apply it to the code. So it turned out that our issue with the click-through rates was not anything to do with the calculation on the database, but instead was tracking these clicks closer because we had some tests that had the same text in them and we weren't differentiating between the two correctly. So this will now ensure that we are always testing the correct element and always tracking the correct clicks. And as you can see, came up with some really good code here, and we're going to go ahead and accept that. So for today's challenge, I want to make the results page show all the tests in a row first before we dive into the details of each one. So I'm going to be reorganizing what the results page looks like to adhere closer to Jimmy's design.